Hello and welcome to Ranman Records Design. Today we show you backyard design, Zen Gardens with beautiful pond. Bon appetit everyone and enjoy watching. Zen Gardens are the epitome of tranquility and simplicity. These traditional Japanese gardens are designed to promote relaxation, meditation, and mindfulness. With here clean lines, carefully arranged elements, and minimalistic approach, Zen Gardens offer a peaceful sanctuary from the chaos of everyday life. Essential plants for a Zen garden with a pond. Selecting the right plants is crucial to maintaining the Zen aesthetic. Opt for low maintenance greenery such as bamboo, Japanese maple, and moss. These plants not only add a touch of nature but also provide a sense of balance and harmony within the garden. Incorporating rocks and stones for a natural aesthetic. Rocks and stones are essential elements in Zen gardens, symbolizing stability and strength. Use it to create pathways, borders, or even miniature mountains. Play around with different shapes, sizes, and textures to add visual interest and evoke a sense of natural beauty. Adding sculptures and ornaments for visual interest. To enhance the visual appeal of your Zen garden with a pond, consider adding sculptures or ornaments that reflect its serene atmosphere. Look for statues of Buddha, lanterns, or even a simple stone basin for a meditative water feature. These elements add a touch of personality while staying true to Zen philosophy. Water and stone are fundamental elements in Zen philosophy. Water symbolizes life, refreshment, and change, while stones represent stillness, stability, and endurance. Utilizing stone elements for pathways and borders. Stone pathways and borders not only add practicality to your Zen garden, but also contribute to its overall visual appeal. Smooth river rocks or gravel can also be used to create a Zen-like texture and add a sense of tranquility to the pathways. Proper cleaning and care of the pond. Maintaining the clean lines of your Zen garden's pond is crucial for a serene and balanced atmosphere. Regularly remove any debris, fallen leaves, or algae that may accumulate on the surface. Using a skimmer or net will make this task a breeze. Additionally, check the water quality and ensure it is balanced to provide a healthy environment for your aquatic plants and fish. Adding natural elements to enhance the meditative atmosphere. Consider incorporating a small waterfall or trickling stream to provide a soothing background sound. Friends, thank you for watching. You watched the video about Zen Gardens on my design channel Ranman Records Design.